everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to present before you a vegetarian kebab, dahi ke kebab. Many of my friends have told me to share a vegetarian recipe, so I am making a dahi ke kebab. For this we want 2 cups of hung curd, 1 cup of grated paneer, 3/4 cup of freshly grated bread slice. You can you can take 2 slices of bread and just crumble it. Some capsicum, some boiled corn, breadcrumbs. I have toasted the bread at 230 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes and then I have grinded it. A mixture of bread crumb and oats, onion, chili, ginger, pepper, salt, little bit of ghee, little bit of flour, little bit of maida with water. I have diluted it. Now let's begin with the kebab. First I am taking the hung curd. Mixing paneer to it. Adding the breadcrumbs, freshly grated breadcrumbs. First I'll mix all these ingredients. For making hung curd, you have to take the curd or the dahi and put it in a cloth, and I have put it on a steve or channi and put it in the fridge the whole day long. So I am getting a thick consistency of the curd. Now I am mixing onion, chili, salt, pepper, ginger, little of corn and a bit of capsicum to it. You can also add coriander leaves as per your taste. Combine it well. It will be of a sticky dough consistency. Now I am greasing my hand a little, taking a small portion of it. Putting in the breadcrumbs. Then putting in the maida. After that, coating it with similarly you can make some more kebabs. These are very soft. You can give it any definite shape of it, like cutlet or like tikkis or anything you like. I'm making a baked version of the kebab. You can just deep fry it or shallow fry it according to your choice. I am brushing my baking tin, and after that I'm just dusting it with flour so that the kebab should not stick. I switch on my oven at 250 degrees centigrade to preheat for 10 minutes. Now I will place the kebabs on the tray. I have made all these kebabs of different shapes. Now I am just greasing a little bit of ghee. You can also grease oil on the top of the kebab. So that it should give a crunchiness. I have preheated my oven at 250 degree. Now I am putting the kebabs in it and again turning the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we could see that our kebabs are really brown and tempting. It's the baked version of dahi ke kebab. It's yum, tasty, crunchy from outside and soft from inside. And you can serve it with mayo dip. It is healthy because you have all the healthy ingredients, goodness of oats, curd. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel. I will shortly be coming with more such healthy recipes of veg, non-veg and baked item. Thank you.